Okay.
Okay, so these are Crate Creatures, and today we are doing one of Blizz the Yeti Crate Creature. He's in here, and so...
What's a Yeti?
A Yeti is like a snow beast, like the abominable snowman. So right here, there's a little thing with a crowbar. You take the crowbar out, and there's a lock on the top. You have to undo the lock first. The little thing right here, you take the top of the crowbar, and you just open it like that. Then you take the chain out. And then you can just take that out, but you can't just open the box. You have to take the bottom of the crowbar and put it through those little holes, and then he pops open. Okay, so here he is. Let me just turn him on. So when you turn him on, he starts like that. Okay. So, you can feed him his popsicle. You can pull his tongue. If you push down his tail, his arms will flap up. And you can also get him to copy you. Okay, so there's a little button on his belly. Okay, so you press that. Okay, press it till his eyes start to glow. Okay. When does... You gotta do it till his eyes start to glow. Hello?
Did it work yesterday?
Work today. Okay, there's a little button on his belly, and you just have to press that until his eyes start to glow. Okay. Hello, I'm hungry. Feed me my popsicle.
Okay. Hello, I'm hungry. Feed me my popsicle.
So he will copy you, and he can do all sorts of stuff. And you can also get him back in his box. But he also has this compartment back here. He has an open compartment, but he has 4 modes. He has loud, it's quieter, off, and demo. So I'm just going to turn him off. And and then you want to open it back up. And there, inside the box, there's a little blue thing, and you push that down. You can push it down, it'll pop back up, but you put him in, then you put his popsicle in.
Kind of like having a mogwai.
Then you push that down, the bottom will go down. You can put this in, and then you take the chain, lay it down flat on the ground, and on the bottom, on the sides, this has like holes and holes and holes, and this has holes and holes and holes. But right here, it stays empty the whole way, so you want to put it right in there. And then since it's already opened, you'll put it in there, and then you turn it around and clip it close. And so this is Blizz, the ice cream creature. Do you want to do the other two, Daddy?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.